Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the left HID headlight, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. We'll explain how to test fuses, why it's very important to test fuses, and if your headlight still doesn't work, we'll talk what else you need to look for, because sometimes maybe it's not the fuse causing the problem, or if it's a fuse and you replace it and it still doesn't work. We'll cover that too as we go in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart. We'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we have that 3.6 dot charger actually here, guys, at the garage, but now if you look, this is your fuse box. Okay, you have two tabs, one here, one there. These two, practically you need to squish them like that, pull the cover out, it comes up. And what you need to look for here now, okay, it's pretty simple. You have one fuse that you're going to check for HID headlight. The left side will be known as fuse number 15, guys. It will be that second fuse from right to left, 1, 2. So that fuse right here will be for the headlight. Now somebody installed the wrong type of fuse. It should be like that 20 fuse here, but they installed that fuse. So if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's always recommended to test the fuses, because these fuses, it's hard to tell if they're burnt or not, but that's the one that we need to check, guys. And we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you guys how to actually test fuses and relays, and you will be able to tell for sure if that's the problem. Now, if you replace the fuse and still headlight not working, we have a special video that is called Why Headlight Does Not Work on Dot Charger. It's going to teach you what you need to do in that case, because it could be a little bit more complicated than just a fuse. And check it out. We'll share very helpful information there as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.